Hello everyone, in this lesson we're going to look at the steps to check whether version 24H2 is installed on your computer in two ways using the Settings app and the version command. Okay, let's dive into the steps to check which version of Windows 11 you have installed on your computer. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. First, we're going to be using the Settings app to check the version installed on your computer. And to do that, open Start and look for Settings. Then click on System, scroll down, and open the About page. Then, under Windows Specifications, you can check the version installed on your computer, which in this case is going to be 24H2. Also, the OS build number should be higher than 26,100.712. Usually, this first part of the number indicates the version of the operating system, and anything after the dot are the cumulative updates. Another way that you can quickly check whether the version 24H2 or the 2024 update is installed on your computer is by using the version command. And to do that, open Start and look for Run and open the app, type Winver, and the About Windows page will open. And from here, you can confirm that version 24H2 is installed on your computer. You can also see the OS build number. And that's it. Those are two quick ways that you can check to see if the latest version of Windows 11, in this case version 24H2, is installed on your computer. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.